Alright guys, we're back in the shop again today. I got this little Honda SL70. It's actually a 1973 Honda SL70. It's even street legal. It didn't come with turn signals just because it's so old, but I've got the ownership for it. It's street legal, and it's a pretty nice bike, guys. But yeah, so what I want to work on is this gas cap here. I guess the cork seal that it has worn out, and every time I take on and off the gas tank, it's just the gas cap's too close to the tank and it's scratching the tank there. So I got some new gasket material, some cork, and we're gonna see if this cork gasket will work for us. But yeah, just I guess it's too packed down and too old. So yeah, we're gonna replace that with some new gasket there. So yeah, I'll get a template cut out and then I'll turn you guys back on. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys here like how scratched up it actually is getting. It's unfortunate. This tank is pretty mint, but yeah, definitely got to get some new cork in there to lift that up so it doesn't scratch it anymore. Okay guys, I got the gasket and the new cork gasket material. I'm just checking the size of it, and it looks to be like the same height there. So I'm just gonna kind of trace it out. And then just do the inside. There, we'll get her cut out. And I'll turn you back on. Okay guys, so I got this the new gasket cut out here, and just kind of check it to the old one here, and I mean, yeah, that looks good to me. So we'll try to install it. I mean, I think that should be good. Let's see if it fits on the bike. Oh. It's pretty good. Spilled a little gas there, but let's just try to get you guys into the light there. Yeah, I think it's raised up just enough that it's not hitting the tank anymore. It's too bad it already got scratched up, but I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. Alright, well, I guess the only thing left to do is to start her up. Just let me go get the keys, and I'll turn you right back on. Just give me 1 sec. Okay guys, I got the key here. We're going to put it in the on position, and then just turn that on, and oh yeah, got to make sure the gas is in the on position. Oh, and maybe a little choke, and yeah, now all I got to do is kick her over. So we'll see if she fires up. Oh, heard something. Alright guys, so there you have it. She fired right up. Gas cap seems to be working good, no leaks. So that cork worked well for us. And yeah, I guess I'll do like a walk around video of this bike to give you guys some more detail on it. But I think that's it for now. She fired right up, went for a ride, it was pretty good. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.